Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you to find phone contacts inside Instagram app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Then you want to click into your profile. And then click on the three lines, top right hand corner of your page. And then from here, you want to click onto settings and privacy. And then you want to click into Account Center and then scroll down, and then you want to click on your information and permissions, and then right at the bottom it says upload contacts. Click into that, and then connect contacts. Mine's toggled off, so you need to toggle that back on, so go ahead and do that now. And what happens here, they'll sync and securely store your contacts to help you connect with people you know on Instagram, recommend things you care about, and offer you a better service. So from here, you want to click back. So you want to get back to your profile. And then from here, you want to click on the plus icon, top right hand corner of your page. Sorry, I meant the three horizontal bars. Click into that. And then scroll the way down the bottom and it will say discover people. Click into that. So here's a list of all the people that Instagram thinks you may know, and all your phone contacts will be here too. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.